All right, so this is a collective reading for the month of May. First, we will find out the type of energy that we are going to experience in this month, and then we will move on to find out the message the universe is trying to give us for the month of May. So, the energy is of protection. Now, as you can see here, the color here is black. Black is not considered to be very auspicious in certain cultures. Also, black indicates fear, death, the ending of something, and hence we try to associate black with negativity. But the word protection here changes the meaning completely and turns it into a positive direction. This is because this card signifies that whatever it is that you are doing right now, you may certainly face challenges, but you should know that you are protected at all times, which means that if something is not happening according to the way you have thought, then trust in the divine plan because it is still happening in your favor. And one thing that is most certainly seen here is that there could be an ending of something in your life for a fresh new start, for a fresh new beginning. Now, change is not going to be easy because black represents that there might be certain obstacles, there might be certain challenges. So, you will have to adapt yourself to changing situations. And even if there are challenges, do not go back. Do not go back to old patterns. Do not go back into your comfort zone. Do not resist change because your growth lies out of your comfort zone. Let me pick up one more card for a bit more clarity, gain deeper insights, decode the energy further, and understand the message in detail. So the energy is wow. It says abundance. See, as I told you, whatever it is that is happening right now, all you have to do is trust in God and know that it is happening only and only for your highest good. Whatever is going to come your way is going to be wonderful, is going to be spectacular. Now, let us move on to understand the message the universe is trying to give us. What is it that we should be knowing? What is it that we should be prepared for in the month of May so that we can navigate through it successfully? And it says, accept the situation as it is rather than fighting to change it. There is mystery in the way universe works. So this card clearly indicates that there could be certain changes in your life this month, or foundation for upcoming changes will be laid. Hence, it is better to surrender and go with the flow rather than trying to waste your energy in things that you cannot change. Instead, it is better to focus your energy on things that are actually under your control, things that you can actually work upon and change. So, to conclude, expect major changes this month, but amidst all the action, know that you are protected at all times and that abundance is on its way. Everything is happening only and only in your favor. Do not look at the short-term perspective, look at it from the long-term perspective. And do not try to resist change, remain adaptable. Alright, I hope this reading is going to help you navigate through this month successfully. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a fantastic month ahead. Bye.